Hi everybody, my name is Heather. Welcome back to the Graphics Fairy. I'm from Ruby and Pearl. Today we're going to be making these really sweet little Christmas cone tags, and you can make a whole bunch of them. They're very simple, and we're going to be using some printables from the Graphics Fairy that are already designed. They are gorgeous, and these cones are meant to be used as like a three section cone that you could kind of tuck treats inside, but we're just going to be using 2 sections. And I also printed on the back with a little bit of that newsprint from the Graphics Fairy Premium site as well. So I'm just showing you here how I'm going to take my scissors and cut out 2 sections of that cone. And you can find these cones in the blue one is from the Angelic Symphony bundle on the premium site, and the others are from the Antique Ephemera bundle. And they are so beautiful. Like I said, they're already designed, ready to go. Just fold that in half, and that's going to make up our tag. And I'm just going to fix it with my scissors, and then I'm going to be kind of adding a little bit of ink to the edges to kind of give a little bit of that vintage feel. I want to take that perfect look away. And I'm just going to take my fingers here and crumple around the edges to give it just to make it look like it's like old and it's not brand new. So yeah, and then I'm just going to take my ink and ink along the edges. So yeah, so we don't really need to do much to these because they're so beautiful and the designs are already done digitally for us. So you could like make so many of these and have them for Christmas time. You could attach them to packages. You could use them as place settings, whatever. I think they could be so cute, even just as little ornaments. So I'm just going to take a little glue and go ahead and put it along the edge. You don't want to go too far in because we want to make sure that space is open in the middle so that we can tuck things. I messed up my lights there. So we can tuck things inside. So if you wanted to use these in your journals, you definitely could because they're flat, and then you could just put like a journaling card or something inside to make, or something special, maybe like a little memento from Christmas. So I'm just going to use some tinsel and I'm just going to tack it into the corners using my Fabri-Tac glue. I definitely recommend a strong adhering glue, a fast drying glue, because of the tinsel. It's just going to make your life a lot simpler. You could use hot glue as well. If you don't have tinsel, you could use pipe cleaners. You could use regular ribbon, anything. You could use yarn, just whatever you have on hand, you could use. I was kind of going for that old world Christmas style where they have the tinsel and the glitter and the old images. I love all those old antique ornaments. So I'm going to use a little glass glitter here. This is German silver glass glitter in a very fine grade. You can find that on Etsy. I'm just going to take my glue and use my fingers. I shouldn't be using my fingers, but I do. And then I like to do it so that it's not completely covered evenly. I like to do it like where some parts are covered and some parts aren't, to kind of look like some has worn off and it's just imperfect. And then I put a little bit up at the top as well. So just kind of use your judgment. You could definitely over glitter. And if you don't have German glass glitter, just get yourself a nice grade of glitter, a fine glitter at your craft store. So yeah, so now we have the ornament is made. We have the tinsel and now we're adding the glitter. So that's pretty much all we need to give just a little bit of glitz to it. It gives a nice little sparkle, and you can see that you can tuck, whatever you like inside. You could even put some little candy treats in there. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of sari ribbon here, and I'm just going to tie it to the tinsel. And I also have a star that I bought from the craft store, and I added a little glass glitter to it to make it kind of match the glitter along the edges. And I'm just going to attach that with one of these little bulb pins. And that's pretty much it. That's all we really need to do to dress these up. You could add little bells or just whatever you like to the sides to kind of dress them up. But I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this process. I love how these turned out, and I want to use these on my Christmas packages this year, and also definitely going to tuck one in my Christmas journal. So yeah, you can see. Oh yeah, I'm showing you here how you can tuck something inside there. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.